This is XM06 fully automatic 10 inches machine, and this is converter unit which will convert 220 volt to 110 volt. Now it is running in the 110 volt. So we are provided with 2 food graded sheets. So in order to make a chapati, just apply 1 drop of oil that is spread over the sheet. Place the sheet on the above the disc, and this is a ball duff. And place the other sheet above the ball duff. That's it. Just start the machine. This thickness adjustment is at the very least minimum level. So this is your 10 inches chapati. Now I am going to make a Maida Roti. So this is the Maida ball duff. Place the ball duff in the center of the sheet. Just one brush. So once the roller came up, you have to take out the Maida Roti. So this Maida Roti and then chapati are made with the least minimum thickness level. So you have to adjust a knob like this. In order to set the least minimum thickness level, you have to adjust like this. Now I am going to make a stuffed paratha with wheat. You can also make with maida, and also you can make puran poli also in wheat as well as in maida. Okay. So to make a stuffed paratha, the thickness level should be adjusted, because to get a thick stuffed paratha. So to adjust the maximum thickness level, you have to adjust like this. Okay. So this is a potato stuffing. Place the ball duff in the center of the sheet. That's it. One press. I adjusted the maximum thickness level, so that's what this paratha is thick.